respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed guests, management, dedicated staff, my dear learners, and proud parents. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you again, each one of you, for our Apex Annual Sports Day, a celebration of talent, teamwork, perseverance, and joy. It is an honor to see our community gathered to celebrate the spirit of athleticism and teamwork. As we all know, co-curricular and extracurricular activities are as crucial as academics in shaping child's overall personality. They play a vital role in personal growth, fostering discipline, commitment, leadership, and a true spirit of fair play. Today's celebration is a reflection of all these values. The academic calendar for the session 2025-26 was thoughtfully planned to provide our learners with maximum exposure across all the domains of school education, both scholastic and post-scholastic. Our vision is to nurture learners who are not merely judged by academic excellence alone, but who emerge as confident individuals equipped with skills to adapt to the needs of the fast-changing world. However, the entire team and I believe that one of the most awaited and celebrated events of the year was the celebration of National Sports Day. In the same spirit today, as we celebrate the Apex Annual Sports Meet, it is heartening to witness the remarkable contribution of our learners, student council members, and student volunteers who have worked tirelessly and enthusiastically to make this event a grand success. It was truly wonderful to witness our learners competing with great enthusiasm and determination, not for personal glory, but also for the honor and pride of their respective houses. I strongly believe that the greatest lessons of life are not taught within the four walls of the classroom. They are learned on the playground. It is there where learners try to stumble and yet rise again, to compete the race even when they know that they may not win, to accept the defeat with grace, and to rejoice the team spirit and to place the collective above oneself. It is a matter of immense pride to see our council members and student volunteers take the lead in grooming their juniors for the mass pass, drills and races, and in supporting the organization and smooth conduct of the sports event today. Dear council members, you have set a remarkable example for your learners to emulate. I am truly proud of each and every school council member for living up to the trust reposed in them. While we celebrate these achievements, our academic calendar is far from over. Our academic standards continue to be among the finest, with a strong emphasis on building conceptual understanding rather than rote learning. I am proud to state that our learners' performance in all the competitive examinations stands as a testimony to this commitment of excellence. It gives me immense pride and honor to share yet another momentous achievement with all of you. Our school had the privilege of hosting 9th Telangana Nobukawa Karate Do Championship 2025, a prestigious event. Our learners participated enthusiastically across various categories and showcased exemplary skills, discipline, and sportsmanship. Their outstanding performances earned them numerous gold, silver, and bronze medals, bringing great laurels to the institution. Adding to this proud achievement, our learners also secured overall championship trophy, a testament to their hard work and perseverance. I congratulate our young champions, their dedicated coaches, and supportive parents for this remarkable success. These achievements once again reflects our school's commitment to holistic development and excellence beyond the classrooms. Yet, another remarkable milestone to share with you all. In the month of December, our school had the privilege of hosting the chess tournament championship in our campus. It was truly an honor to welcome the participants across the state with various age categories, including our own enthusiastic learners. We are delighted to share that our learners performed exponentially well and brought pride to the institution by winning certificates, medals, and trophies. Such achievements reflect our commitment to nurturing strategic thinking, sportsmanship, and holistic development among our learners. Apart from this, our learners have brought us immense pride with their outstanding individual achievements. One of our young players, G. Riyanshi from reception years, secured first place in Kids Inter-School Badminton Tournament Season 1. She also participated in SGFI district level selection trails. A truly commendable and proud moment for future pathways. Moving further, 8 students of our school participated in UBS Kids Cup Hyderabad regional level held at Gachibowli Stadium. Among them, A. Ananya and C. Prayukta from primary years and Himani and Bibitsa from introductory years secured top 10 positions and were selected for UBS Kids Cup Grand Finale. Adding to this glory, one of our budding cricketer, Joel from formal years secured second position in cricket in Telangana Premier League organized by Telangana School Cricket Association Season 1 held in the month of August, which is indeed a pride moment for great moment for the entire Future Pathways family. Yet another proud and glorious moment to share. Our primary years learner G. Shauri Aryan has excelled in chess, participated in different competitions and won several gold, silver and bronze medals in various competitions. A commendable achievement indeed. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents who have invested their time, effort and trust in nurturing and honoring their children's talents. Your support plays a pivotal role in shaping their success. None of this would have been possible without the relentless effort of my teaching team and administrative team who transformed my vision for Future Pathways into reality. I express my sincere gratitude to the management for their unwavering trust and encouragement. A special thanks to Ms. Pushpavalli and the team for allowing me for the freedom to work towards establishing Future Pathways as an institution of future. Finally, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our staff members, especially physical education department team, learners, council members, volunteers, support staff who have worked tirelessly for this day. A special note of thanks to our Future Pathways parent community whose unwavering faith gives us the confidence to move forward with purpose and passion. To all our young athletes, I say, give your best, play with integrity and enjoy every moment in life. This is your time to shine, to learn and to grow. I wish all my dear participants the very best and I hope this sports day is filled with energy, excitement and unforgettable memories. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.